Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is clean the machine. So as you can see, the blade is exposed, right? So you want to be careful not to touch the blade with your hand, right? And the guard, see the gap? You want to make sure that it's closed. So you close that, so now it's flush complete with the blade. So now you can't put your hand there and get injured, right? The next step is you want to lift that up. This is where you would put your meat. And what happens here is you have your meat all day. All the cold cuts or different types of meat will get lodged underneath this tray, and you're wondering, how do I clean it? It's very simple. Lift this up. You turn this lever to the side, and you take off the plate. Clean your table. Clean underneath here. Clean the top, and then just put it back. Lock it in place. Lower your guide, and that's it. Where you go.